Today we are covering designing Microsoft Azure infrastructure solutions. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Question is, you have an on-premises network that uses an IP address space of this. You plan to deploy 25 virtual machines to a new Azure subscription. You identify the following technical requirements. First, all Azure virtual machines must be placed on the same subnet named Subnet 1. Second, all the Azure virtual machines must be able to communicate with all on-premises servers. Third, the servers must be able to communicate between the on-premises network and Azure by using a site-to-site VPN. You need to recommend a subnet design that meets the technical requirements. What should you include in the recommendation? To answer, drag the appropriate network addresses to the correct subnets. Each network address may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between pans or scroll to view content. Now see the answer area. And this is the answer. Next question is, you plan to deploy Azure Virtual Machines VMs that run a mission critical application. You need to minimize the possibility that the application will experience downtime. What should you recommend? To answer, drag the appropriate solutions to the correct scenarios. Each solution may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between pans or scroll to view the content. This is the answer area. And this is the correct answer. Next question is, you have an Azure Synapse instance named ASI and Azure Cosmos DB SQL API account named CDB1. CDB1 hosts a container that stores continuously updated operational data. You plan to use ASI to analyze the operational data daily. You need to configure CDB1 to support the analysis by AS1. The solution must meet the following requirements. First, ensure that AS1 can analyze the operational data without reducing the performance of operations. Second, ensure that the analyzed data is deleted automatically. Which three actions should you perform in sequence? To answer, move the appropriate actions from the list of actions to the answer area and arrange them in the correct order. This is the answer area. And this is the correct answer. Next question is, your company has an Azure subscription that includes a number of Azure virtual machines, which are all part of the same virtual network. Your company also has an on-premises Hyper-V server that hosts a virtual machine. named VM1, which must be replicated to Azure. To achieve this, additional objects must be created in the Azure subscription. Which of the following are the objects that must be created? Answer by dragging the correct option from the list to the answer area. This is the answer area. And this is the correct answer.